Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today we are gonna make these cups and this tray. So these are all super easy and let's get started. For this you'll need a half sheet of paper. A4 size, you have to cut it in the half. Like this I have cut it for the tray. The half one is for the tray, and for the cups you need 15 centimeter from both sides. I'm having this paper 15 centimeter from both sides. Now we have to fold it in the half. We'll open it and then from this we have to either 1 2 2 and like this we have to make it. You can see the lines. After folding it into the half, we have to fold it in another half. Now we have to fold it from here like this, and from here like this. Now we have to fold it like this. We have folded it like this. Now we have to fold this to this line like this, and this one too. Now we have to open them and we have to fold it till here like this, and the second one also till here. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can see 8 boxes over here. Now we have to fold each one like this. You can see them. Now we have to open it on this side, and now we have to open it from here. Now with this scissors, or you can also cut it like this, we have to cut one first corner of this. And one box from here also like this. Now we have to, you can make anything you want, like you can make eyes or face like this. I have made on this one, but I'm not gonna make any eyes or face on the others. Now we just have to glue this from here. Like this. You can see now we have to cut these boxes from every line. You have to cut these boxes like this. Now fold them like this. Now let's start it from this side. We have to glue this, put glue on it, fold it from here, and here. Now again a drop of glue, now from here also we have to stick all these sides. Now the cup is ready. Now this cup is ready. Just we have to make the handle. You can make the handle from this waist. You have to just cut 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes from here. And just fold them in the half. And in the another half. Like this strip. Now stick it with the glue. Now I've sticked it with the glue. Now fold it from this side a little bit and this side a little bit. Now put glue on this. A bit of glue, not too much. So now we have to stick this on the side and roll it and then stick it on the other side. So you can see this, it's done. We can put it here like this. I'm having this tray, but I'll show you how to make the tray also. The tray is also super easy. Just we have to fold this strip and from this side too, and from this side and from this side. Now we have to open it and then fold it like this. And again like this and like this. This is done. Now we have to stick the edges. My glue is about to finish. So this is done. Now you can make the tray section, these holders from the other waste paper. You just have to cut a strip like this, the same way which we have made the handle. Like we have made the handle. Fold it into half, then another half, and then stick it. Now fold it like this. So have to stick them. So our tray and cup both are done. You can see them. They are looking very fantastic. These are super easy as said first, and you can make them. And please give me the review that if you try them, then give me the review in the comment section that how it works for you. And we'll meet in the next video. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.